Hi everyone, it's your girl Regina coming to you with another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to cut out the middleman and purchase your very own 20-ounce sublimation tumblers. So I just got a pack of 25 20-ounce sublimation tumblers from Fastsub Sublimation Tumblers. They are US based, and I got this case for only $98. Don't worry, I will leave the link to their Shopify store in the description bar so that you will be able to grab you a case also. So this box never been opened. We're gonna open it, we're gonna sublimate it. I'm gonna show you guys just how good they turn out. Again, these are 20-ounce sublimation tumblers. I only paid $98. And I know, and that was including tax and shipping. I know what you guys thinking. How did you pay $98? Well, they actually run about $110 regular, but they was on sale for $105. And then I signed up for the newsletter, the exclusive newsletter. Just put your email in and they will send you a code for 10% off your first order. And that got me 25 20-ounce tumblers for only $98. If this is your first time joining me, welcome to my channel. I shoot cruise tip videos as well as DIY projects every single week. So make sure you hit that subscribe button so that you will not miss out. So I know you guys want to know how well these tumblers sublimate. So we're going to go ahead and open up this box. I'm going to wrap a tumbler. I'm going to put it inside of my heat transfer sublimation oven, and we're going to see just how they turn out. If you know me, I'm going to give you the straight up honest opinion, honest truth. I do a lot of tumblers, so I know exactly how they're supposed to look when they come out. So let's get this box open and get started. What I did was, you have two options when you go to their website to purchase their tumblers. You can get the tumblers with the plastic straw, or you can get them with the metal straw and the little black stopper that go on the bottom of the tumblers. I went with the metal straw and the black bottom because I have a lot of plastic straws. I don't know why, left over from other cases that I had. Maybe at some of my pop-up shops, people just grab a metal straw and not the plastic one. And plastic straws are super easy to grab anyway, right off Amazon. So, let's see, somewhere in this box, I think I opened up the box upside down. Maybe they inside the box. Let's open up a box first. They usually have them tucked away on the side, but I don't see them. But let's open them up. Oh, they come inside the box. Okay, so here is my tumbler, bottom, and my straw. Okay, so everything comes in the box with the tumbler. So, and the inside of the cup, no line. I love, most of my customers, they really don't care if it's a line in the middle of the cup. But I like the tumblers when they come without that line, that seam down the middle. So we finna sublimate one of these because I'm super excited. Again, I only paid $98. If you buy your tumbler straight from the supplier, you cut out the middleman, which also have you to put more money into your pocket because you're spending less money when you buy your supplies. So let's get started. Okay, everyone, we ready to wrap this tumbler. So the first thing that I did, I kind of just put it next to a tumbler that I had already had, and they was actually the exact same size. So if you haven't seen my video on how I print out my prints, I leave that at the end of the video so you can go back and watch it. But I usually do my prints at 8.40 by 9.40. So this one right at 8. I always print mine a little bit larger and a little bit longer, so this looked like it's going to be perfect for the size that I already print mine for. And then I just measured the width, which put it right at the the 9.40, right at the 9.40. So it do look like these tumblers is a little bit fatter than the ones that, the height was the same, but the width seemed to be a little bit fatter. So I'm just gonna cut it out, because I always print mine just a little bit larger anyway, and see if it fit. If not, I'll reprint it. So, but again, if you want to see how I print my designs, I do have a video on that. Before, I'm gonna probably speed it up when I start wrapping this tumbler, but I just wanted to let you guys know the $98 included shipping and taxes. So I paid $98 flat for everything shipped to my door. Shipping takes anywhere from 3 to 7 days. The tumblers do come from California. They're being shipped from California. I live in Florida, so it took mine like 6 days to come. But of course, I'm like way on the other side of the U.S. from California. So the closer you is to California, the faster they come. But like I say, I'm in Florida. It took 6 days. So I got my tracking the very next day after I ordered them, and they was on the way. So I'm going to go ahead and take this up and get it wrapped up, and we're gonna take it to the oven. So I'm gonna speed up this process. You'll be able to see it. See what I'm doing. But if you need a tutorial on how I wrap my tumblers, just leave a message in the comment, and I'll do a tutorial explaining how I wrap my tumblers. Okay, I am at my sublimation oven. I use the shrink wrap method for my tumblers. Y'all got to excuse my camera. I got a new motion camera. But I use the shrink wrap method. I know a lot of people say, oh, you put a lot of work into your tumblers. That's because I don't want to mess up no tumblers. So I do go an extra mile. I do have the press coming. So hopefully, you know, that'll cut out some of the leg work. But I usually can wrap a tumbler in like 3 minutes. So it don't even take that long. So I'm finna show y'all the oven. We're gonna let it bake for the 10 minutes, and then we're gonna reveal. Okay, I'm at my heat transfer sublimation oven. I know someone's gonna ask me about the painter's tape. I do put painter's tape at the top and in the middle of my tumblers, only because it's an oven and I don't want the paper or the tape to come up. Just an extra precaution, just not to even mess up a cup. My oven always be on the same thing. I guess somebody touch it, but you want to hit the hot air. I keep it at 180 degrees for 10 minutes. Hit the start button and let it work its magic, and we'll come back in 10 minutes. Okay, everyone, the tumbler is out of the oven. It has cooled down, and the first thing that I noticed right off the bat is I can see the design through the transfer paper. So that's the first indicator that you know that this cup sublimated good. So the first thing I'm gonna do is we're gonna get this tape off. As you can see, I don't even know what it looked like just by doing tumblers, hundreds of tumblers. I know that when you see that design through that paper, that it's done. It's sublimated. I haven't seen the tumbler. As you can see, the tape is on it. So we're going to see it together for the first time, so you guys will know if these are good tumblers or not. And let me tell you guys, y'all got to excuse my camera because it's on a motion router, but let me take the gloves off. I can't even explain it. This cup is sublimated perfectly. I'm gonna go ahead and cut it off so it'll stop moving while I'm talking. But look, you guys, the color, oh my God. 25 cups, $98, shipped to my door, 6 days. That was including shipping and taxes. No hidden fees, none whatsoever. $98, no hidden fees. This is a good cup. This company sells really good sublimation tumblers. I'm so excited. I'm so happy with the results. Look at that, look at that. I did my design and I cut it in 8.40 by 9.40, and it was the perfect size. Look at the seam on the back. You can't even, it's like you can't even see the seam. I'm trying to get out of the light so you guys can see it better. Cut out the middleman, buy your own tumblers. Fastsub Sublimation Tumblers is where it's at. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I can't wait to show you guys how to use their sublimation tumbler press. I do have mine on the way coming. They was on sale. They still on sale for $198, shipped straight to your door in the US. You don't have to wait for it to come from China. You don't have to get on Alibaba and go through all these seas of suppliers to try to find a good tumbler. I'm telling you guys, these tumblers has given me like the 100% stamp of approval. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. My customer, I know for a fact, is gonna love her tumbler because this was actually a tumbler for a customer for Christmas. Make sure you click that link in the description bar. When you head over to their website, make sure you sign up for, put your email in, sign up for exclusive deals, and grab you a case of these 25 cups, 20-ounce sublimation tumblers today. I will see you guys on my next video, and I hope you guys enjoyed this tumbler reveal. Thank you guys for watching.